Good morning, everybody. We just got here to Lake Cachuma.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of staying.
It's a big one! It's a big one! Yeah! We got Richard.
Hello.
And Graham.
Woo!
We're back.
The power team.
I actually haven't been to this lake for like 10 years or so. They never been to the lake, huh? You guys never been
First time here. First time. Heard good stuff.
So there was a trout stocking, so we gotta try to find them. Check it out. Man, this is beautiful, guys. This is just amazing. The air's kind of chilly. It's like perfect. Took us about 2 hours to get here. Oh man, we got a couple more days of Thanksgiving, but when you guys watch this, it's gonna be past Thanksgiving, so happy late Thanksgiving, everybody. Glad you guys are here with us at this lake. So hopefully we get some fish for you guys. I'm gonna start off with probably a little mini jig. Actually, I'm gonna start off with this little worm. Just jig it around. I made it at home. And then also I got oh, there's people on the shore already. Also got a slip bobber. Not sure what I'm gonna use for bait yet. Check it out again. This is all new territory for us. I see the fish jumping. Alright, this is our first spot, guys. Take a quick little look before I throw it in. Oh, missed them. Missed them. Was a bite though. Oh, actually, he's still on.
First one of the day.
Got the first one, guys. Finally. Yeah! Woo. Yeah, let's go! There's a tag on him too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Let's check him out. Yeah, there is a tag on him. So we can get this water spot on the thing.
Yeah, boy. Oh, that's cool.
I wonder what the tags are for. Check that out, guys. Got a little tag on them. Oh.
Yeah.
So I caught this one on a red power bait.
Yeah.
Alright, it's starting to come around. Alright, guys.
Warmed up.
They're coming around, they're coming around. I just casted that one too. Caught him on this one. Salmon egg red. Oh no. Damn, I just threw that one out and then he immediately took it. Swallowed it too.
That's a good sign.
Broke it. You got him? You got him?
I think I got something.
Grabs on a fish.
Ooh, grab.
That's a big hit.
Let me get that net. You feel something fighting or what?
Yeah.
How did your heart feel?
Oh, you're like, wait. Where's he going?
Is it?
Oh, there he is. Oh, relax, relax. Calm down. It's a big one. It's a big one. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Woo. Woo. Face that way. Yes. Woo. Face that way.
There it is.
Let's go. I know. Oh, and it's tagged too. Oh, hell yeah.
This is your biggest yet, huh?
Yeah. That's a big one. That's your record right there.
Woo! Right here, and it's tagged.
Nice one.
Do a shoey.
That one hit
Oh.
hard too.
Damn.
That hit really hard.
It was getting up a good fight too. Hold up. All right.
I use orange mice tail with where's your line? Nice.
Okay.
The ranger came by and we said, you have any tips for us? And he said, patience. So we just waited here.
That big fish energy. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, Richard, your turn.
My turn.
Your
I
turn.
need a tag fish.
It's another
too.
tagged one. It's interesting. All right, good stuff.
Shoey.
Oh yeah, it's here. Got him. Ooh, another one, guys.
Another one first to us.
What? Right on your left. Right when they left.
I just
It's on already. Oh.
should I do it again?
Click it again. Can you put it inside the water? Right when they left. Just like angle it a little bit, like turn it up. And you just put it right in the water.
Like inside.
Yeah. Just like follow the fish around. Oh yeah, it's another tag on it.
I need tag fish here, huh?
Can you pass me my net real quick? Oh, it's a better size. Can you pass me my net real quick? Oh, it's a better size. Nice. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, that's a better size right there. Yeah.
2 for 2.
Fresh.
Yeah. Check them out, guys. It's all power bait. Yeah. Another one, guys. Check them out. And another tag on the power bait. Yep. It's Red?
Red.
It's more reddish.
I got pink. That's close enough.
Yeah.
Pink, red, same thing.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You can turn that one off. Alright, same spot. Same power bait. Check it out, guys. Same one. We got like a bunch of bait rods going on. But I was using lures earlier and no action. But everybody's catching them on power bait, so switch to what's working, right? Alright. Definitely a bigger one than the first one. Number 2, guys. Check them out. Grabs out another one, guys. Oh, it's a fighter. Oh, is it stuck? Careful. Let him swim out. It's probably stuck on a log, right? Give it some slack. You gotta switch hit your switch. Yeah. Open your bail, let it swim out.
This?
It got stuck somewhere, guys. Can you try?
You got caught on something?
Yeah. Either some kind of bush. And that one hit hard too. Hopefully he has enough energy to swim out. What'd you have on this one?
Power
Okay,
bait.
I think we might have got it. Alright, we got it.
Yeah?
He's out.
It's real?
Yeah. Point it this way though. Is it stuck again?
Oh.
Go. You're good. It's coming in, right?
Yeah.
Nice. We got him out. We got him out. Careful.
Oh.
Oh yeah. He's fighting good.
It's probably a big one.
That's a nice one. Yo, that's a nice one. You better play him. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. This is the one. This is his right here. This is the... Everybody's showing up now. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big one, fool. That's a big one. Hey, relax. Come walk over here a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's go! Woo! Nice. Damn! That's a good one. It's bigger than your last one.
It is bigger than my last one.
What'd you catch him on?
Power bait. Power bait.
Power bait.
That's a nice one.
Nice. Whew. Yeah.
There you go, man.
Yeah, they got some big ones in there.
Yeah. It was quiet all day till right now.
Good timing.
Sick. With the power bait. Patience. Patience. That's what they said. Woo. There they go.
That's good.
Yes. Damn, that one is bigger.
Yeah. Nice and fat. Good job.
Richard, cast that right now. Guess all the fish are gone now. Gotta go.
Alright guys, that about concludes today's full day of fishing at Lake Cachuma. Is it Cachuma? Yeah, Lake Cachuma. So, see how we did. Look at Graham's beast over here.
And this is for you.
And what'd you use?
I use on the smaller one power bait, and then
What color?
power bait lime green, and then on this one I use orange mice tail with pink trout gel.
Yes. And mine, which are smaller, I was using oh yeah, both of them I caught on I think it's called Red Fire power bait. Yep, that's about it. So we're gonna head home and yeah, see you guys. Thanks for coming along with the journey on this fishing journey. Till next time.
Mango IPA from